Muito boa noite. Então, muito boa noite. Vou chamar ao palco o nosso senhor diretor Cesário da Silva, que nos dirigir umas palavras. Eu até estou sem voz. Muito bem, eu é que estou sem voz, preciso do micro.
Pronto, então, antes de mais, muito boa noite. Porque estamos com pais, eu vou falar agora em português e, portanto, começar por agradecer, acreditarem que este tipo de projetos e iniciativas possibilita que os vossos filhos, que são nossos alunos, tenham acesso a um conjunto de experiências que vai, por certo, enriquecer-lhes para o resto da vida a percepção que, efetivamente, neste mundo cada vez mais globalizado, temos que saber conhecer as questões da cultura, as diferenças e, sobretudo, sermos verdadeiramente tolerantes, sendo que a palavra tolerante tem sempre uma possibilidade de ser lido como eu sou tolerante porque aceito. Não, eu sou tolerante porque quero perceber e ganhar com a diferença e com esta troca. Num projeto que tem a ver com as heranças culturais e linguísticas, que decorreu durante esta semana e que acolheu jovens de Espanha, a la Madrid. Olá, onde estáis? Oh. Que acolheu também jovens alemães, Dutch people. Okay. E que acolheu também jovens italianos. Buenas noches, Itália. Di Roma per Portogallo, Luce Ponte. E, portanto, esta semana foi efetivamente uma semana de grande interação, para quem nós precisamos agradecer aos nossos colegas estrangeiros destes 3 países que vieram a Portugal e que confiaram neste projeto e nesta mais-valia. Agradecer aos professores portugueses, neste caso, a professora Carmen, a professora Raquel. Agradecer também ao nosso professor Emanuel, que é o professor do teatro. E sobretudo também aos nossos 2 alunos que estão lá em cima a fazer a parte técnica, ao João. Uma rápida resenha, dizer que, chegados a Portugal no domingo, tiveram a oportunidade de conhecer Lisboa, Jerónimos, Terreiro de Paço e alguma coisa da Baixa. Segunda-feira tivemos o acolhimento aqui. Da parte de tarde fizeram um projeto de orientação no Pinhal Martingança, Pataias,
São Pedro de Moel.
São Pedro, ok. E depois, na terça-feira, foram até Coimbra, onde tiveram a oportunidade de visitar a parte da universidade, também o Portugal dos Pequeninos. A professora Carmen ficou deliciada com o Portugal dos Pequeninos, porque ela é muito rápida e acho que ninguém consegue mais rápido do que ela ir do Algarve atrás dos montes, não no Portugal dos Pequeninos. E, portanto, ela rapidamente chegou do Algarve atrás dos montes. E depois,
não sabia que já tinhas reparado na minha rapidez.
Já, tem estas questões. E depois passaram também por Fátima, que também tiveram a oportunidade de ver. Quarta-feira foi dia de trabalho de manhã, acolhimento na parte da tarde da Câmara Municipal, ida ao Museu do Vidro, ao Museu Joaquim Correia e depois voltar ao trabalho. Quinta-feira com trabalho intenso também aqui durante a manhã, uma tarde com tempo livre para alguns, outros continuaram nas suas tarefas, hoje de manhã também com muito trabalho. E estamos neste encerramento, sobretudo, a partilhar convosco aquilo que eles fizeram e a deixar uma mensagem que eu acho que é uma mensagem muito importante. A Europa, o espaço onde estamos, só se construirá verdadeiramente sustentada quando formos capazes de perceber que a Europa é efetivamente a união de todos os povos. Vivemos um momento difícil. E temos verdadeiramente que perceber que a união faz a força e que juntos seremos, sobretudo, não mais fortes pela força, mas mais fortes pelo conhecimento, pela possibilidade de acolhermos, de recebermos coisas que nós gostamos de fazer, nós, principalmente os portugueses. Não vos vou dizer mais nada, a não ser, sobretudo isto. É uma honra, verdadeiramente, ser diretor deste agrupamento e, sobretudo, ter professores, pais e alunos que se empenham e trabalham desta forma. Sinto muito orgulho e, por isso, as palmas são para vocês. Muito obrigado.
Mais a acrescentar, portanto, realmente, a equipa constituída pelo professor Emanuel Jacinto, que esteve com o teatro, a Teresa Letra, a Raquel Renoi e a minha pessoa, portanto, agradecemos realmente a todos os pais que fizeram de tudo para os meninos se sentirem bem-vindos. Eu sei que eles têm contado, que se sentem muito bem, que a comida é muito boa, que fazem, passeiam, está tudo delicioso. Os próprios professores adoraram Portugal e, portanto, as visitas que foram organizadas e que tiveram a oportunidade de visitarem, sobretudo a culinária que fica na memória, não é? Também, e o bom vinho. Pronto, agradecer aqui ao professor Paulo e ao professor Carlos, também que estiveram aqui nos ensaios, está bem? Porque a peça é constituída por 3 partes. Portanto, e deve mostrar que a individualidade de cada um não nos separa, mas que nos junta. De facto, devemos preservar aquilo que é a nossa cultura e tradições, mas, no entanto, também acolher aquilo que vem de fora. Nós vamos ter uma primeira parte em conjunto, depois, isto já foi em cada país teve 2 meses, não foi muito, para escrever a sua peça. Portanto, vão entrar, cada equipa vai entrar separadamente, e depois, no final, vão estar todos juntos. E esta parte também aconteceu em cada país, o hino europeu, escreveram uma letra, cada país escreveu uma letra, e temos também o refrão escrito em inglês. E realmente cada estrofe reflete o que o país tem de melhor, tradições, costumes, comida, gastronomia. Portanto, vão ouvir eventualmente a parte alemã, não traduzi as letras, peço desculpa, traduzia outra parte do texto de Fernando Pessoa e José Régio, que já dei a todos os professores e alunos, para perceberem a parte portuguesa, que é muito difícil, mas de facto, erro meu, peço desculpa, podia ter traduzido também a outra parte. Pronto, e vamos dar início ao espetáculo. E Emanuel, estamos prontos.
Good evening and welcome. Tonight we will celebrate the sounds of Europe. This evening we will celebrate our cultural and linguistic heritage in an intercultural dialogue between Germany, Spain, Italy and Portugal.
Guten Abend und herzlich willkommen. Heute Abend feiern wir die Klänge Europas. Und heute Abend feiern wir den interkulturellen Dialog zwischen Deutschland, Spanien, Italien und Portugal durch ihr kulturelles und sprachliches Erbe.
Buenas noches y bienvenidos. Esta noche celebramos los sonidos de Europa. Nos vamos a ayudar de nuestro patrimonio cultural y lingüístico a través del diálogo intercultural entre Alemania, Spagna, Italia y Portugal.
Buonasera e benvenuti. Stanotte festeggeremo i sogni dell'Europa. Questa sera celebreremo il nostro patrimonio culturale e linguistico attraverso il dialogo interculturale tra Germania, Spagna, Itália e Portugal.
Boa noite e bem-vindos. Esta noite vamos celebrar os sons da Europa e o nosso património cultural e linguístico através do diálogo intercultural entre a Alemanha, a Espanha, a Itália e Portugal.
After this fantastic week and the magnificent reception of Portugal, we thank you. It's time to present some of our done by our students, and for that, we need them on the stage.
Nach dieser wundervollen Woche und dem großartigen Empfang von Portugal bedanken wir uns bei Ihnen ganz herzlich. Es ist Zeit, einige der geleisteten Arbeiten darzustellen und dafür brauchen wir jeden auf der Bühne.
Después de esta magnífica semana y la fantástica recepción del equipo de Portugal, la cual agradecemos, es hora de presentar los trabajos hechos en nuestros propios países. Para eso necesitamos a todos nuestros compañeros en el escenario.
Dopo questa fantastica settimana e la magnifica accoglienza del Portogallo vi ringraziamo. È ora di presentare parte del lavoro svolto dai nostri studenti e per questo abbiamo bisogno dell'aiuto di tutti.
Depois desta semana fantástica, chegou a hora de apresentar alguns dos trabalhos realizados pelos nossos alunos. E para isso, precisamos deles no palco. Assim,
From Germany, Aurelia Tenz. Pia Schimmelpfennig. Sophie Skopi. Vivian Steinle. Stella Weidinger. Mia Wang. Nadja Saschkina. And me, Milena Schupflich.
From Spain, Ana María Díaz. Irene Galvache. Jimena Blanco. Lucía Castro. María Posadas. Ricardo Gómez. And I'm Alberto. Hello.
From Italy, Claudia Tacconi. Fabio Lamboglia. Flavia Tarcaglione. Irene Dominici. Noemi Lofreda. Samantha Golella. Susanna Trigami. E Miriam Domino Ferrari.
from Portugal, Abril Medina, Ana Cantanhede, Ana Maria Figueiredo, Bianca Gomes, Eduardo Vieira, Inês Ruivo, Inês Aleixo, Maria Pan, Sofia Puglielli, e Abel Almeida.
Ladies and gentlemen, in the name of the German federal state, we are very grateful that you followed our invitation to this important event. As you know, the government would like to explore in more detail the term home. What does home mean? What does being German mean? Especially in these days when Europe grows together. We would like to publish a flyer.
Wait, I am just told that not all Germans are Bavarians. This doesn't really simplify things. Gladly, we have a group of young Germans and elderly citizens who all come from the Ruhr Valley, that is from Marl.
Oh dear. Is the Ruhr Valley not the place where coal is extracted? Where by lunchtime fresh laundry was already blackened by soot?
Freeze! For a long time, it was indeed dangerous for many housewives to hang laundry outside for drying. The smoke coming from the coal mines colored the washing black. Only technical advances on coal mining help to improve the air quality long term. By the way, today in the Ruhr Valley, they don't mine coal anymore. Those times are gone. Marl has become a very green city. Freeze end.
We have also invited two ladies who have recently moved to Marl. What do you think about your new home as citizens of Marl?
So, where are you from and how long have you been in Germany?
I'm in Germany for 5 years. I was born in Russia and spent the first part of my life in Cologne. And where do you come from?
I'm from Shanghai, China. I went to Germany a year and a half ago.
Oh wow, that's so interesting. What is your experience about German culture?
You know, I find it really strange that some Germans can have bread all day and beer as a drink.
So you know, actually in Russia we also have bread culture. But it's a rare thing to find cozy, charming bakeries. In Germany they are everywhere. Even in the smallest village. They sell all sorts of lovely bread and pastries.
Well, we Chinese won't eat bread all day. We prefer rice and noodles. Another observation I've made about the Germans is their love of football team. For example, some of my Chinese friends can't even remember the name of our local football team. The Germans must find it really strange.
That's so true. Even if the football stadium is empty, you still feel the spirit. This national love of football. This reminds me on fields. I associate Germany with them. Where I live, I enjoy tranquility of roadside, colorful roads. Cows standing in the middle, you're surrounded by horses, cornfields everywhere. You can pick strawberry in summer yourself.
Wow, I couldn't imagine that either. Childhood in the city was something different. But during this 1.5 years, I've met a lot of nice people, and this made this strange city feel like home.
We are the younger generation. For us, the answer is evident. Home is where our friends are. Home can be anywhere.
We are the older generation. We live in a hometown Marl for longer. We know every street, every bakery. We find a home with our eyes closed. Home means safety and work. The Zeche Auguste Victoria and the Chemie Park. This is there where we have spent most of our lives.
Freeze. The Zeche Auguste Victoria, in English called Pit Auguste Victoria, was founded in 1899. By times, 11,000 people had their work there. And the pits often had female names, like you hear, Auguste Victoria. But the coal mining ended in Marl. Zeche Auguste Victoria closed in 2015. But Marl is still characterized by its industrial architecture. And now I want to say something about the chemical plant, in German called Chemie Park. The Chemie Park was founded in 1938, and it produced synthetic rubber.
and because of that, it was bombarded heavily in World War II. Many air raid shelters can still be seen today in our city, Marl. Freeze end.
You and your old stories. The pits are dead. Home is where my heart is. When I think of home, memories emerge. The feeling of being there. Memories of common experience at school, at celebrations.
Freeze. A very popular fete in Marl is the Schützenfest. All of the Rifle Club members meet in a square, and the one who shoots the bird is going to be the new Rifle Club king. It's a great honor to be this kind of king, or respectively queen. And this fair is celebrated with much beer, music and dance.
Für uns beide gemacht. Oh, oh, oh. Ich schließe meine Augen, lösche jedes Tabu. Küsse auf der Haut, so wie ein Liebestattoo. Oh, oh, oh. Was das zwischen uns auch ist, Bilder, die man nie vergisst. Und dein Blick hat mir gezeigt, das ist unsere Zeit. Durch die Nacht, bis ein neuer Tag erwacht. Atemlos, atemlos, deine Augen ziehen mich aus. Atemlos, durch die Nacht, spür, was Liebe mit uns macht. Atemlos, stehen wir frei, großes Kino für uns frei.
Home is a feeling, yes, but home is way more. Home is a place. The swimming pool around the corner. Our shopping center, the so-called Maler Stern. My Schrebergarten with the garden gnomes and the award-winning roses. You have to live somewhere for long to be able to call it your home.
Freeze. Schrebergarten, oder the allotment, is a small piece of land, kind of a garden. Since the houses of workers, often small and fairly dark, the workers bought or rented small piece of land which they used as a garden. Here, they spent a lot of time with their family and took great pains in making their garden look beautiful. Some of workers are organized in clubs of small gardens with a chairman. Germans really love clubs of all kinds. Present.
But some refugees or those who recently moved to Germany say that now they feel this as their home. They haven't arrived here for long, but feel safe and protected here. Some also say that now they have two homes. So home is a part of our identity, part of our inner self. This nobody can take away. They can take away your house, your Schrebergarten, but the sense of belonging remains.
Stop, 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 stop. Home is a feeling? Oh dear. What should I write for the brochure? I need some pictures. Do you need pictures? Then just take a picture of Pommes mit Currywurst. Just take a picture of the old age pensioners observing the street from the windows. Take pictures of animal shelters off the Malertafel. Freeze. Currywurst mit Pommes is a popular meal apart from Döner Kebab in the Ruhr Valley. It is a fried sausage with French fries which are often served with mayonnaise. People from Berlin claim that they have invented the curry sausage, but we in the Ruhr Valley know it better than them. The Malertafel is a charity organization which gives food to poor people that they have collected from supermarkets. Freeze end.
Well, don't you have nicer photos? Some high mountains clad in snow, or a lake in which the sun is mirrored?
Sure we do. It is the city lake with heat slabs. Yeah, it's mostly without snow. But the best idea would be to take a picture of all of us as citizens of Mai.
The former miner, the pupils, the old age pensioners,
The worker in the chemical plant.
This is Mal. This is our home.
Ihr seid das Ruhrgebiet, die Kohle, die nichts richtig macht. Das hätte ich nie gedacht, doch was ist da los? Ihr seid das Ruhrgebiet, die Kohle, die nicht aufgestellt und nur die Freundschaft zählt. Ihr seid das Ruhrgebiet und das Ruhrgebiet ist.
Good night, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome. We are the Spanish team, and tonight we are going to perform a play in which we have been working during the past 2 weeks. Our team has put a lot of effort on it, and we hope you enjoy it as much as we did rehearsing it.
Every year, our school chooses a topic. This year, the topic are the colors. Colors express emotions, feelings. Colors means diversity. With this performance, we try to express that when we are together, the sun shines brighter. And if we are amazing countries by ourselves, imagine how incredible it will be if we work all together as one.
Enjoy.
con solo mirar. Estás cansado de andar y de andar y caminar, girando siempre en un lugar. Sé que las ventanas se pueden abrir, el aire depende de ti, te ayudará, vale la pena una vez más saber que se puede, querer que se pueda, quitarse los miedos, sacarlos afuera, pintarse la cara, color esperanza, entrar al futuro con el corazón. Mejor perderse que nunca embarcar, mejor tentarse a dejar de intentar, aunque ya ves que no es tan fácil empezar. Sé que lo imposible se puede lograr, que la tristeza algún día se irá, y así será, la vida cambia, cambiará, seguirá, el alma vuela por cantar una vez más. Sabe que se puede, querer que se pueda, quitarse los miedos, sacarlos afuera, pintarse la cara, color esperanza, cantar al futuro con el corazón. Saber que se puede, querer que se pueda, quitarse los miedos, sacarlos afuera, pintarse la cara, color esperanza, cantar al futuro con el corazón. Vale más poder brillar, solo buscar ver el sol.
Hello everybody, our school is now going to present a sketch in which we're going to share our cultural heritage through three parts. In the first part, we're going to read some lines from the Divina Commedia, or Divine Comedy, written by the great Dante Alighieri, who is considered one of the greatest milestones of the history of Italian poetry. In the second part, we're going to show you a typical and informal Italian meeting among friends that are watching a football match between two of the most competitive teams ever, Roma and Lazio. It's a simple scene, but we wanted to represent the main attitudes of Italian people, such as love for food, for football, for women, for conviviality, humor, for our city, and especially for our gestures. In the last part, we're going to sing a beautiful and traditional song called Roma non fa la stupida stasera, which is the translation of Roma, don't be silly tonight, to define all the good characteristics and all the positive feelings you'll get if you visit our country. Now, it's time to stop talking and enjoy the show. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Dante Alighieri is considered the greatest poet of Italian culture because he's the father of Italian language, but also all over the world because his poetry is unreachable. He composed the Divine Comedy, that's probably the best poem ever written, but also the most gripping, deep, moving, and self-discovering. With this poetical composition, he narrates about his trip through the three realms of the underworld: hell, purgatory, and heaven, looking for the good in a world of violence and corruption, and above all, looking for himself.
Nel mezzo del cammin di nostra vita mi ritrovai per una selva oscura che la diritta via era smarrita.
In the middle of the road of our life, I found myself astray in a dark wood, since I'd lost the straight path.
Ai, quanto a dir qual era è cosa dura, e sta selva selvaggia aspra e forte, che nel pensier rinnova la paura.
How hard is it for me to say how wide, intricate, and dangerous this world was. Just the thought of it makes me feel afraid as then.
Tanta amara che poche più morte, ma per trattarle ben chi vi trovai, dirò delle altre cose chi v'ho scorte.
It's so bitter that all it did is worse, but to treat of the good I found in it, all speak of the world I saw there.
Io non so ben ridir come vi entrai, tanto pieno di sonno a quel punto che la verace via abbandonai.
I cannot really tell you how I got in there, as I was so tired when I left the right path.
Ah, belli! What a bunch of beautiful ladies. I'm Fabio, the waiter. How can I help you?
What's on the menu?
We have pizza margherita, lasagna, and carbonara.
Carbonara. I never eaten carbonara.
Really?
Are you
Really?
crazy? Yeah, I'm not from Rome, so...
Why? Where are you from?
I'm from Palermo.
Oh, Salerno. What a beautiful city. Just like you. Perfect. I'll be right back.
Thank you. You must go shopping. There are sales.
Yeah, let's go to Corso Street and then we can visit the museum and Travis Fountain. And we can throw a colonnade.
Yeah, I mean. Oh God, I'm so sorry, but I can't. I'm dating my boyfriend.
Where are you going?
I think Montenegro. Oh, cute. You got the locks. Yes.
Oh, what a peach.
What time is it?
Oh, it's 9:30. Can you please turn off the TV?
Yes, sure.
Oh, look. Go!
Forza Roma, forza lupi, son finiti i tempi bubi.
I'm here.
Thank you. So good.
It's really good.
Yeah. Girls, to celebrate our victory, we should perform all together. Are you in?
Yes.
Roma non fa storia, ride stasera. Cambia, non fa I can know